AI receptionist versus human receptionist. The real cost comparison. A human receptionist costs 24,000 euros per year, minimum. But that's just the salary. Add sick days, training, turnover. The real cost is 30,000 plus. An AI receptionist costs 97 euros per month. That's 1,164 per year. Side by side, the human handles one call at a time. The AI handles hundreds. The human works 8 hours. The AI works 24/7, including weekends and holidays. When should you keep the human? Complex negotiations, emotional situations. For everything else, AI is 95% cheaper and 10 times faster. Ready to switch? It takes 24 hours. Get-SCALA.com.